admit it, when you go out to Plaster City, you always take a picture by these signs. This is a place I always see in pictures, so I'm finally here. I finally know where it's at. So this is going to be the most difficult part right here because I don't got the most ground clearance, but this thing is so short. I just go around, go over it. You just go around obstacles in this instead of driving over them. Easy work. And then here's a cool spot I see in all the pictures. Wait. This is for the Geo Tracker fans. Did the Geo win your respect on this trip?
It runs like a goat.
There you go. To the Geo Tracker fans. And you, what did you call it? Rugged?
It's very rugged.
Yeah, it sounds like not rugged when you close the door, but it's all the underpinnings. That's where all the ruggedness is. The body, the tinniness is not the rugged part. But there you go. The Tracker won my dad's respect. It's a little goat.